Right now, a small team of engineers inside a secure facility at Apple Park is putting the finishing touches on a device that is internally being called the Holy Grail of wearables. For 3 years, we've seen the Apple Watch Ultra dominate the wrists of athletes, tech enthusiasts, and people who just want the biggest, baddest watch on the market. But the Ultra 1, 2, and 3, they were just the prologue. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is the moment the narrative shifts. We are moving away from a device that simply tracks your life and moving toward a device that saves your life. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. There are leaks circulating right now from the most reliable supply chain analysts in the world, people like Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman, that suggest Apple is finally ready to debut a technology they have been working on since before Steve Jobs passed away. We are talking about non-invasive medical sensors that were once thought to be physically impossible to shrink down to a wrist-worn form factor. But it's not just about what's inside. The exterior is undergoing its first massive structural change since the original Ultra launched. If you think you know what an Ultra watch looks like, you're in for a shock. The Ultra 4 is leaner, meaner, and arguably the most sophisticated piece of consumer electronics ever built. If you've been holding on to your Series 6 or even your first-gen Ultra, you need to hear this, because 2026 is the year the game changes forever. The design. The thinner titanium revolution. One of the biggest complaints about the Ultra series has always been the bulk. It's a tank on the wrist. But for the Ultra 4, Apple is utilizing a new Grade 5 aerospace titanium alloy that allows for a 15% reduction in overall thickness without sacrificing a single drop of durability. Imagine the same rugged, go-anywhere strength, but with a profile that actually fits under a dress shirt. This is Apple's play for the everyday user. They want the Ultra to be the only watch you ever wear, whether you're summiting a mountain or sitting in a boardroom. The bezel is also seeing a transformation. By utilizing a new internal pressure molding process, Apple is shrinking the black borders around the screen to nearly zero. This means the Ultra 4 will likely sport a slightly larger display, rumored to be around 2.1 inches, without increasing the actual width of the watch. It's all screen, all the time. And let's talk about the action button. Since its debut, it's been a favorite for shortcuts, but it's always felt a bit static. Leaks suggest the Ultra 4 will introduce Force Touch 2.0 to the action button. Depending on how hard you press it, you can trigger different actions. A light tap for your flashlight, a deep press to start a workout, and a double firm press to trigger the siren or emergency SOS. It's no longer just a button, it's a context-aware tool. The Holy Grail, blood glucose and beyond. This is the section that is going to make this watch sell out for months. For over a decade, Apple has been chasing non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. The goal? To allow diabetics and health-conscious individuals to check their blood sugar without ever needing to prick their finger or wear a patch. The Ultra 4 is rumored to be the launchpad for a new sensor array on the underside of the watch, an 8-sensor ring that uses shortwave infrared absorption spectroscopy. It sounds like science fiction, but the premise is simple. It shines a laser through your skin to read the interstitial fluid and calculate your glucose levels. While it may start as a trend monitor, meaning it tells you if your sugar is rising or falling rather than giving a medical